Glossy glass skin, originating from South Korea, is characterized by a clear, smooth, and intensely hydrated complexion that appears almost transparent, like glass. This trend emphasizes the importance of a multi-step skincare routine, hydration, and the right products. Understanding your skin. To achieve glossy glass skin, it's essential to understand your skin type and its specific needs. Skin types generally fall into one of the following categories: normal, dry, oily, combination, and sensitive. Identifying your skin type will help you choose the right products and treatments. The fundamentals of skincare. 1. Cleansing. Proper cleansing removes dirt, oil, and impurities. 1. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliate regularly to remove dead skin cells, but avoid over-exfoliating as it can cause irritation. 3. Toning. Toning balances your skin's pH and prepares it for the next steps in your skincare routine. 4. Hydration. Hydration is key for glass skin. 4. Use hydrating serums and moisturizers to lock in moisture. 5. Sun protection. Always apply sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Step-by-step skincare routine. Morning routine. 1. Cleanser. Start your day with a gentle cleanser to remove any overnight buildup. 2. Toner. Apply a hydrating toner to prep your skin. 3. Serum. Use a hydrating serum with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. 4. Moisturizer. Apply a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer. 5. Sunscreen. Finish with a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen. Evening routine. 1. Makeup remover. Remove makeup with a gentle makeup remover. 2. Cleanser. Cleanse your face to remove impurities. 3. Exfoliator. Use an exfoliator 2-3 times a week. 4. Toner. Apply toner to balance your skin. 5. Serum. Use a nighttime serum with ingredients like retinol or peptides. 6. Moisturizer. Apply a richer moisturizer to lock in hydration. 7. Eye cream. Use an eye cream to address specific concerns like dark circles or puffiness. Key ingredients for glossy glass skin. 1. Hyaluronic acid. Provides intense hydration and plumps the skin. 2. Vitamin C. Brightens the skin and evens out skin tone. 3. Niacinamide. Improves skin elasticity and reduces inflammation. 4. Retinol. Promotes cell turnover and reduces fine lines. 5. Peptides. Boost collagen production for firmer skin. 6. Antioxidants. Protect the skin from free radicals and environmental damage. The role of diet and hydration. Diet plays a significant role in skin health. Incorporate the following for optimal skin. 1. Water. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin hydrated. 2. Fruits and vegetables. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, they help maintain healthy skin. 3. Healthy fats. Include sources of omega-3 fatty acids like fish, nuts, and seeds to nourish your skin. 4. Avoid sugary and processed foods. These can cause breakouts and skin dullness. Lifestyle tips for glossy glass skin. 1. Sleep. Ensure 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. 2. Exercise. Regular exercise boosts circulation and promotes healthy skin. 3. Stress management. Practice stress-relieving activities like yoga or meditation to avoid stress-related skin issues. D. Masks and treatments. Hydrating honey mask. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. 1 teaspoon of rosé water. Mix the ingredients and apply to your face for 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Brightening lemon mask. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of yogurt. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. A pinch of turmeric. Mix the ingredients and apply to your face for 10-15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Product recommendations. 1. Cleanser. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. 2. Toner, Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. 3. Serum, The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. 4. Moisturizer, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. 5. Sunscreen, La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melt-in Milk Sunscreen SPF 100. Conclusion. Achieving glossy glass skin requires dedication and consistency. Start by understanding your skin type and building a comprehensive skincare routine with the right products and ingredients. Remember to hydrate, eat a balanced diet, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Share your journey to glossy glass skin on social media and encourage others to join you in this skincare revolution. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.